For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered what lies beyond our own galaxy. While we have sent probes and telescopes out to explore our own solar system and nearby stars, the idea of journeying to another galaxy has remained firmly in the realm of science fiction. In this video, we'll explore what it would take to make a journey to another galaxy, the challenges involved, and the potential rewards. Before we can discuss a journey to another galaxy, we first need to understand what a galaxy is. A galaxy is a collection of stars, planets, gas, and dust held together by gravity. Our own Milky Way galaxy contains billions of stars, including our own Sun, and spans more than 100,000 light-years. Significant advancements in technology are necessary to make a journey to the Andromeda galaxy a reality. This includes developing spacecraft and propulsion technology capable of reaching speeds close to the speed of light. Advanced life support systems and energy sources are also critical. To make a journey to the Andromeda galaxy, we would need to travel at speeds close to the speed of light. Even at that speed, the journey would take more than 2 million years to complete. Any crew on board would need to be self-sufficient for the entire journey, requiring advanced life support systems and energy sources. One of the major challenges of a journey to the Andromeda galaxy is the unknown hazards that may exist along the way. We cannot predict or prepare for every obstacle that may be encountered, making the journey even more dangerous. The Andromeda galaxy, also known as M31, is the nearest galaxy to our own Milky Way. It is located approximately 2.5 million light-years away and is one of the largest galaxies in our local group, containing billions of stars. A journey to the Andromeda galaxy is a monumental challenge, requiring significant advancements in technology and resources. While the challenges are immense, the potential rewards are equally great, allowing us to explore new worlds and expand our understanding of the universe. However, it's important to consider the ethical implications and ensure that we are using our resources and attention responsibly. Ultimately, the decision to undertake such a journey will require careful consideration and a shared vision for the future of space exploration.